Hello, amazing English learners. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. We are so happy to see you here today.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to our warm and friendly family. I am Jack.
And I am Sarah. Our goal is to help you speak English naturally and confidently. Today, we have a topic that is essential for every English learner. It is the answer to the most common question in the world. Where are you from?
Yes, today we are going to learn how to describe your hometown. Whether you live in a giant city or a tiny village, we will give you the perfect words.
And stay with us until the end because Jack is going to tell a very funny story about the time he visited my city and got completely lost.
It was a disaster. But first, let's start with the basics. Sarah, tell us about where you grew up.
I grew up in a metropolis.
Ooh, metropolis. That is a fancy word. Can you explain what a metropolis is?
Sure. A metropolis is a very large, busy, and important city, like New York, London, or Tokyo. It has millions of people.
Wow, millions of people. That sounds stressful. I grew up in the complete opposite. I am from a rural area.
Rural. That is a great adjective. What does rural mean exactly?
Rural means the countryside. It is away from the city. It has farms, fields, and nature. It is not urban.
So we have urban for the city and rural for the countryside. I love the hustle and bustle of urban life.
Wait. Hustle and bustle. I love that phrase. What does it mean?
Hustle and bustle means lots of activity and noise. People rushing to work, cars honking, shops opening. It means the city is alive.
See, that gives me a headache. I prefer a close-knit community.
Close-knit. That is a beautiful expression. Tell us about it.
A close-knit community is a place where everyone knows everyone. In my hometown, if I walk down the street, I say hello to the butcher, the baker, and the postman. We all help each other.
That sounds nice, but maybe a little bit nosy. In the city, we are more anonymous.
Anonymous. That means nobody knows who you are, right?
Exactly. I can walk down the street and nobody knows my name. I have privacy. I like that.
We are so different. Okay, let's talk about the atmosphere or the feeling of our hometowns. How would you describe the atmosphere of your city?
I would say my city is vibrant.
Vibrant. Good word. It sounds like vibration.
Yes, vibrant means full of energy, color, and life. It's exciting. The lights are bright, the restaurants are open late. It's never boring.
Okay, my hometown is definitely not vibrant. I would describe it as tranquil.
Tranquil? That sounds very peaceful.
It is. Tranquil means calm, quiet, and peaceful. You can hear the birds singing. You can hear the wind in the trees. It is very relaxing.
Sometimes tranquil can mean dull.
Hey, be nice. Dull means boring, right?
Yes, sorry, Jack, but for a city girl, the countryside can feel a bit dull. There's no nightlife.
That is true. We don't have nightclubs, but we do have scenery.
Scenery. That is an important noun. Explain it, please.
Scenery is the natural view, the mountains, the rivers, the forests. In my hometown, the scenery is breathtaking.
Breathtaking. That means it's so beautiful, it takes your breath away. You go, wow.
Exactly. In your city, what is the scenery? Concrete buildings?
We have a different kind of beauty. We have skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers. Those are the very tall buildings that touch the sky, right?
Yes, and we have landmarks.
Landmarks. What is a landmark?
A landmark is a famous building or place that represents the city, like the Eiffel Tower in Paris or the Statue of Liberty in New York. My city has amazing landmarks.
Okay, so you have landmarks. I have trees. Now let's talk about amenities.
Amenities. That is a slightly formal word. What do we mean by amenities?
Amenities are the useful features or facilities in a place, like schools, hospitals, gyms, shopping malls, and parks.
In the city, we have everything. Everything is convenient.
Convenient. That means easy to get to or easy to use.
Yes, if I want milk at 3 a.m., I can go to a 24-hour store. If I want to go to the cinema, I have 10 choices. Public transport is everywhere.
That is true. In my hometown, you absolutely need a car. Public transport is unreliable.
Unreliable. That means you cannot trust it. Maybe the bus comes, maybe it doesn't.
Exactly. The bus comes once every 2 hours, so it is very inconvenient. But we have something you don't have. We have fresh air.
Okay, you win there. The city can be polluted.
Polluted. That means the air is dirty from cars and factories.
Yes, and it can be congested.
Congested. That's a good word for traffic.
It means blocked or full of traffic. The roads are always congested during rush hour.
In my village, the only traffic jam is when the cows cross the road.
That is funny. Okay, let's talk about the cost of living. This is a big topic.
Yes, living in your city is probably exorbitant.
Exorbitant. Wow, Jack, you are using big words today. Listeners, pay attention. What does exorbitant mean?
Exorbitant means extremely expensive. The price is too high.
It is true. Rent is high, food is high, but the salaries are also higher. In your hometown, the cost of living is affordable.
Affordable. That means reasonable. Most people can pay for it. You can buy a big house with a garden for the price of a small apartment in the city.
That is the dream, a big garden. In the city, my garden is a tiny balcony with one plant.
See? Country life is better. Now, let's talk about the people. We said your city is anonymous, but is it diverse?
Oh yes, my city is very diverse, or cosmopolitan.
Cosmopolitan? That sounds sophisticated. What does it mean?
It means that there are many different countries and cultures living together. You can hear 10 different languages on the bus. You can eat food from all over the world.
That is cool. My hometown is very traditional.
Traditional. That means people follow old customs and habits. They don't change much.
Yes, most people have lived there for generations. Their grandfathers lived there. It is safe, but maybe a little bit closed-minded sometimes.
So we have cosmopolitan versus traditional, vibrant versus tranquil, congested versus fresh. It really depends on what you like.
Exactly. There is no best place. It's about your personality.
Now, Jack, I think it is time for the common mistakes. Students often make small grammar errors when talking about their homes. Let's fix them.
Great idea. Mistake number 1. A student says, I live in a calm nature.
Oh, I hear this a lot. We don't usually say, I live in a nature. Nature is the general concept. You should say, I live in the countryside, or I'm surrounded by nature. But don't call your town a nature.
Mistake number 2. Prepositions with city. I live at the city.
No. We live in a city. I live in London. I live in a village. But we can live at the beach.
Or on the coast. I live on the coast, but always in the city.
Mistake number 3. Describing population. My city has 2 million persons.
It is not terrible, but native speakers usually say people. My city has 2 million people, or a population of 2 million. Persons sounds very formal, like a police report.
Mistake number 4. Hometown versus home. I am going to my hometown tonight.
Be careful. Hometown is the city where you were born or grew up. Home is where you live right now. If you live in London, you go home after work. You don't go to your hometown, unless you visit your parents.
Mistake number 5. My city is very crowded.
Crowd is the noun, the group of people. The adjective is crowded. My city is very crowded, with ed.
Those are excellent tips. Please remember them. Now, Jack, the moment everyone is waiting for, the story.
Oh boy, okay. So last year I visited Sara in her big, vibrant Metropolis.
I invited Jack because he never visits the city. I wanted to show him the landmarks.
Yes, so I arrived by train. The train station was huge. It was like a maze. I felt overwhelmed immediately.
Overwhelmed. That means you felt too much pressure or stress, too many things happening.
Exactly. So Sara told me, meet me at the Central Cafe. She said, just take the subway. It is easy.
It is easy. Millions of people use it every day.
For you, not for a country boy. I went down into the subway. It was hot, it was noisy, and there were so many lines. Red line, blue line, yellow line.
Did you look at the map?
I tried, but people were pushing me. Everyone was rushing. I felt like a leaf in a river. I panicked.
Oh no, what did you do?
I just jumped on the first train I saw. The doors closed, beep beep, and the train started moving very fast.
Which train was it?
I don't know. I sat there for 20 minutes. I was waiting for the Central stop, but the names of the stations were getting strange. The buildings outside were disappearing.
Jack, did you take the train going out of the city?
Yes, I ended up in a different town 40 miles away. It was almost rural again.
I was waiting at the cafe for an hour. I called you and said, "Where are you?"
And I said, I see cows. I think I'm lost.
I had to drive my car to pick him up. He was sitting on a bench in the middle of nowhere, looking very sad.
I was terrified. I told Sara, please take me back to the concrete jungle, but don't make me use the subway again.
We laughed so much, but it shows that the city can be confusing if you are not used to it.
Yes, it was definitely a hectic experience.
Hectic. That is another good word. It means busy and chaotic.
Okay, that was my embarrassing story. Now let's help our listeners speak. We are going to do our listen and repeat practice.
We will say a useful phrase about hometowns. We will wait. You say it out loud. Focus on your pronunciation.
Ready? Phrase number 1. I grew up in a small village.
Phrase number 2. My city is very cosmopolitan.
Phrase number 3. I love the hustle and bustle.
Phrase number 4. It is a close-knit community.
Phrase number 5. The scenery is breathtaking.
Phrase number 6. The cost of living is affordable.
Phrase number 7. My hometown is famous for its food.
Excellent! You sound like a native speaker. Now let's do the mega quiz. I will describe a place, and you have to guess the correct adjective.
Question number 1. This city has lights, music, and energy all night long. It is never boring. Is it tranquil or vibrant? It's vibrant.
Question 2. This village is quiet. Nothing happens. Some people think it is boring. Is it dull or crowded? It is dull. Crowded is full of people.
Question number 3. This town has expensive houses. A coffee costs $10. It is impossible to buy a house. Is it affordable or exorbitant? It is exorbitant.
Question 4. The streets are full of cars. Nobody can move. Is it congested or polluted? Be careful. It is congested. Polluted is dirty air. Congested is stuck traffic.
Question number 5. This is a place with farms and animals far from the city. Is it urban or rural? It is rural.
Question 6. Everyone knows my name here. My neighbors bring me cake. Is it anonymous or close-knit? It is close-knit.
Question number 7. This building is very famous. Tourists come to take photos of it. Is it a landmark or an amenity? It is a landmark. An amenity is a useful facility like a gym.
Wow, you guys are smart. If you got 7 out of 7, you are ready to travel the world.
But hey, if you made some mistakes, please don't worry at all. It is completely natural.
Exactly. Learning a language takes time. You learn by practicing.
You can come back tomorrow and watch this video again, and I promise it will be easier the second time.
Now it's time for our favorite part. We want to know about you.
Today's question is, what is one thing you love about your hometown and one thing you hate?
For me, I love the convenience, but I hate the noise. What about you, Jack?
For me, I love the fresh air, but I hate that there is no pizza delivery.
So tell us in the comments. Start with I love, but I hate.
We read every single comment. It's like traveling around the world for us.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We hope you learned lots of new words like vibrant, tranquil, and exorbitant.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Learning Podcast and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Have a wonderful week wherever you are in the world.
See you next time. Bye.
Goodbye.